y'all. So this view is so pretty, so of course I had to capture it because let's be serious. Anyways, I touched down on NDC for the weekend and I basically decided to do something for me and treat myself. So I organized a girls trip to DC. Let me vlog this one. So good morning, y'all. I'm getting ready to run to the store and then pick up the girls and start my sightseeing. So we're gonna see what today got involved. Yeah. Good morning, friends. Are you pulling up? I was like, I think that's, yeah. Hey, y'all. Look at this one. Not even. Look at us trekking. All right, well, we're gonna go see it because she wants to see everything.
The Washington Monument first.
Yeah. How tall is this thing? Can you actually go inside of it?
Yes.
You can?
There's an elevator.
In this?
Yes.
Interesting. What's the purpose of it?
Yeah, so you don't want to read it.
Honoring our nation's first president.
Is he inside?
Girl, he bet not be.
Like a statue.
Oh. Not. Because imagine how long the line would be to wait to go up there.
That's what this is. Yeah, what is the purpose for this? Oh, don't mind me. What do they be watching for?
They watch for the British soldiers. That's why it's so tall. They used to watch for
The British are coming. The British are coming.
Oh, is this true?
yeah.
Oh,
I know real facts about
learning a
stuff
little
I wanna-
history. Well, girl,
Making up stuff.
we from a different country. In my country, we ain't got all this, okay?
Girl, you from the country if you mean.
They some haters.
Girl, you was born.
This is the purpose. We are now trekking to Martin Luther King Jr. statue. And hopefully we'll be trekking back to the car after this because the workout, the absolute workout. What we for, been waiting for. Okay, so we got a histologist over here. She's gonna explain these three rocks. Oh, all right.
So, when these three pieces are together, it is the mountain of despair. The stone of hope is when Martin Luther King breaks out. That's why he's by himself. And there's an opening.
I thought it was because he had strong foundation, but you know, yeah, yeah, friend. Is that why he looks so mad and like, not mad, but he ready to attack the world? Urgh. Okay. Bring it up. There. Could he? Yeah, that looks fire. All right, so after sightseeing, we got ready. We went to brunch. We went to Kitchen Crane, Virginia. The food was so good. The company was great. The drinks were amazing. Me and the girls and some other friends. And then we went to ZB's Garden, and as you can see, so pretty. The decor is so pretty. They did that. And the vibes were fire. Hey y'all, okay, so this is the last full day here in DC. I'm getting ready for a day party. Y'all ever start getting ready but really don't want to do much? I already have my dress on. So I'm doing my face right now, but I really don't want to do much. I use this for my foundation. Got it last minute because I ran out. So go to my TikTok and you'll see how I use that. And the review on it because, yeah. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so what do you do, right? If you are like talking or like dating or it's gonna lead to something serious, and the person you're dating or talking to tells you, oh, I don't want to move fast right now. Well, yeah, they tell you, I don't want to move fast right now. Let's just be friends and then see where it goes. I'm gonna tell you what you do. You see any of all the neck roll. I'm gonna tell you what you do. You say, oh, we're already dating or talking for, let's say it's been 2 months, and now you're telling me, or let's even go crazy and say it's been 3 months, and now you're telling me, oh, let's just be friends and see how it goes. What? So you mean to tell me right now you don't know how it goes when we've been dealing with one another for 3 months? What? No, that's not what we're gonna do. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna say, okay, well, that's very interesting, but I no longer wish to connect with you in that way. I wish you well. Have a great day. Delete, block, because you already gave your reasoning or excuse. What we need to keep talking for? What do we need to keep talking for? Y'all all have that eyebrow that be like real nice and then real like janky. But I'm working on growing these eyebrow hair back. Is there like a serum or something like to help grow your eyebrow hairs back? Y'all let me know. Drop it down in the comments. But yeah, it's like, okay, and you don't know at a grown age, at your grown age, you don't know right now if we could be more than friends and you want to just stay friends and see where it goes. That's someone saying they want to have their cake and eat it too. Basically, right? That's basically what they're saying in a nice way. I want to have my cake and eat it too. So please just hold on. And maybe if I don't find anything better, I'm going to let you know. And then we can go ahead and start this thing. But guess what, y'all? We're not doing that. We're not doing it. We're not doing it, okay? So yeah, and I feel like sometimes it's better to just block and delete them. Bye, bye, bye. Block and delete. Okay, y'all. And this is basically the finished look of my face. Because like I said, I wasn't trying to do too much. I mean, I still ended up doing a bit, but you get it. And my lips are definitely going to be burgundy today. So yeah. I'm waiting for my friends to get here so we can start pre-gaming before our day party / dinner we're going to. But yeah, anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, you could just go ahead. I feel like it's best to just block and delete them because then you won't be tempted to pick up the phone when they call you or text you with some basically nonsense. Or, oh, let me explain myself. You just did. You just did explain yourself. Like, what else? What more needs to be said? Because you already said it, right? So I'm going to let you be. Because, baby, I'm the catch. I am the motherfucking prize. Period. So that's fine. Because, you know, everybody don't mesh well together anyways. Everybody's not for everybody. So let's not waste our time. You go find what you want to find. I'm going to go look or just chill out and let whatever good bump into me. Period. And that's it. Sometimes I just be like, because my lips are kind of pink anyways, I should just lip gloss. Like, we're not doing no lip. Like, well, we're not doing any lipstick. We're just lip gloss. What you think? Okay, I'm going to fix my bun. I'm going to try to slick some of this down. And I'm going to go pregame. You want to see the outfit real quick before I go? And here is the fit. We doing enough, but not too much, okay?
Okay, time for pregame. Let's see. Cheers. Oh, it's not cheers. Shot one. Wow. We don't see what she at the end of the night.
I wouldn't know. All I've got is shots. Unless you had something in the cup. Mama. First shot for us of the night. Okay, it's up to it, down to it.
No, you're not going to do that because I'm not taking it, so don't do it.
Anyway, so it's up to it, down to it. Those who don't do it, we do it because we love to do it. Drink, it's a drink. So, at the pregame, my friends were talking so much about how they were going to be twerking everywhere, shaking their bottoms left and right, going to be so turned and lit. And now you can see them sitting there on their phones. I'm going to let y'all be the judge of that. But yeah, that's my girls' trip to DC. This is my first time vlogging a trip, so I think I'll get better in the future. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments. Make sure to subscribe. Any special words for the day?
Au revoir.
Not goodbye.